Hi there, you're watching Fish Finally, where we aim to bring you up to date on the latest and best in the world of fishing. From essentials like fish finders, fishing rods and reels, to accessories like fishing gloves or backpacks, we have something for everyone. We test them in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For a fishing enthusiast looking for helpful buying guides, nothing could be better than Fish Finally.
If you are a collector of fishing rods, you need to consider buying one of the best fishing rod racks for your trophy room. With a fishing rod rack, you can store all of your rods in one neat and tidy place, minimizing the risk of damage and clutter that fishing rods are easily known to experience. To know more about which fishing rod rack to buy, check out our guide video on the 8 best fishing rod rack that is available right now.
Next up on our list is something you should really give a shot. It has really attractive features and great value for the money.
Number 8. YYST Horizontal Fishing Rod Rack. Next to great fishing, nothing is more important than a good fishing rod rack. At YYST, you'll find a good fishing rod rack for practically every style of fishing, all manufactured to the highest quality standards. Whether you're looking for a simple fishing rod rack, YYST Horizontal Fishing Rod Rack is your answer. This YYST Horizontal Fishing Rod Rack comes with 4 racks that hold 8 fishing rods without reels. They are constructed with high-quality material that is durable and lightweight. It includes hardware that is easy to install and easy to use. This fishing rod rack can save space that keeps your rods on the wall and out of the way. The mounting hardware is included for easy and instant installation. YYST is committed to providing premium storage solutions for your fishing gear. This is the perfect fishing rod rack for your garage, shed, and other indoor or outdoor. Number 7. C-Rax Fishing Rod Rack. Next to great fishing, nothing is more important than a good fishing rod rack. At C-Rax, you'll find a good fishing rod rack for practically every style of fishing, all manufactured to the highest quality standards. Whether you're looking for a simple fishing rod rack, C-Rax Fishing Rod Rack is your answer. This C-Rax Fishing Rod Rack is the perfect way to organize your garage and store your fishing rods. It comes with a waterproof design. This fishing rod rack is constructed with PVC composite material that is a product that will last for decades. You can even wash your fishing rods and reels while on the rack. It includes American 316 rust-proof stainless steel hardware and clear assembly instructions. It is easy assembly. The lightweight largest model holds up to 24 rods, 18 rod rack, 24 rod rack. Number 6. Butizone Fishing Rod Rack. Do you need the best fishing rod rack for your ordinary use? The Butizone Fishing Rod Rack is perhaps the most ideal decision for you. This 2-in-1 rack can be mounted on the wall or ceiling to store your fishing rods, providing you with simplified and hassle-free storage. It is great for storing fishing rods, hiking poles, ski poles, hockey sticks and cues, and more. The Butizone Fishing Rod Rack is made of heavy-duty steel, which makes it more durable and sturdy. It holds up to 8 rod and reel combos. It adjusts the distance between the bottom and the top to accommodate the fishing rod's length. This rack design with deep grooved rod rest places the rod stable. It is finished by black powder coated, which provides maximum protection, preventing corrosion and scratch. No special skills are required to mount a fishing rod rack. The mounting hardware is included for easy and instant installation. Butizone is committed to providing premium storage solutions for your fishing gear. This is the perfect fishing rod rack for your garage, shed, and other indoor or outdoor.
Up next, we have a great mid-range model that would give you a satisfactory result all around.
Number 5. One-Base Fishing Rod Rack. If you are looking for the best fishing rod rack, then look at this One-Base Fishing Rod Rack. This fishing rod rack is designed for the avid angler. It provides a convenient place to put all of your rods and combos. This rack is built from super light and rust-resistant aluminum frame for durable construction, easy assembly, and portable, and looks great in your home or cabin. This one-base fishing rod rack is a double-sided rack. The angled base gives easy access to store saltwater rods, trolling rods, and any types of poles. It comes with high-performance industrial manufacturing, precise cutting, polishing, and grinding. This rack has a super light and non-rusting aluminum frame. The aluminum alloy has been widely used in aerospace, automobile manufacturing, and other areas by its small proportion, good corrosion resistance, ease of the process, and so on. This fishing rod rack holds up to 24 or 12 rod and reel combinations and fits in almost any room. It stores and protects your costly fishing rods and equipment from damage. It is great for those fishing rods on a boat, trucks, or SUVs, home or for use in the garage, even in your bedroom, easy assembly without frustration when putting it together. Number 4. Booms Fishing Rod Rack. Are you searching for the best fishing rod rack for your ordinary use? Try not to stress. Here is the best fishing rod rack sitting tight for you. The Booms Fishing Rod Rack is perhaps the most ideal decision for you. This fishing rod rack makes certain to carry a grin to your face. This Booms Fishing Rod Rack is constructed with high-quality material that is durable and lightweight. It has 6 rods capacity with an interlocking design allowing easy rack expansion. It also comes with a durable EVA foam grip pad to protect your rods from scratches. This rack has a base seat that eliminates damage, prevents deforming or weakens the blank. It is easy to mount with the included hardware. This fishing rod rack includes padded slots on the base plate for rod handles plus soft rod clips that adjust to any rod taper. This fishing rod rack only stores freshwater rods. Number 3. Croch Fishing Rod Rack. Would you like to make your fishing trip simpler and easier with an advanced fishing rod rack? At that point, Croch Fishing Rod Rack is the best guide for you. The fishing rod rack from Croch offers superior components and materials that far exceed the competition. This Croch fishing rod rack is made of great quality plastic that is easy to carry anywhere for its super lightweight. It is easy to use, assemble, and transfer, which provides easy access to your rods and sticks single or double side, securely storing any rod type with reels. It is great for storing fishing poles on a boat, truck, or at home or garage. If you are looking for a special gift for your loved ones who like exploring, camping, hunting, hiking, fishing, or backpacking, then this fishing rod rack is a perfect choice.
Before we get to the best of the bunch, let's look at the runner-up for today's video.
Number 2. Rush Creek Creations Fishing Rod Rack. This Rush Creek Creations fishing rod rack is a popular floor standing rack that does its part in maximizing the available floor space is the round 16 fishing rod rack. Its unique 16 rod capacity accommodates storage needs for most fishermen. For a lower-priced rack, it is quite nice in design with a durable wood grain laminate that is handcrafted. The Rush Creek Creations fishing rod rack is a durable American-themed rod rack that blends in seamlessly with your decor. It can be used indoors or outdoors. This rack features a colorful graphic of the distressed American flag to enhance the look and feel. It includes a solid 2-piece with center post at the perfect height for your fishing poles. This fishing rod rack includes padded slots on the base plate for rod handles plus soft rod clips that adjust to any rod taper. This fishing rod rack only stores freshwater rods.
From performance to price, from design to durability, the last product on our list is the best out of all we've reviewed.
Number 1. KastKing Fishing Rod Rack. If you are looking for the best fishing rod rack, then look at this KastKing Fishing Rod Rack. The KastKing Fishing Rod Rack is made with durable non-rusting amorphous polymer material, which is chemical and heat resistant. KastKing co-injects a tacky thermoplastic polymer material into the V-grooves which holds your fishing rods securely placed and will not damage the finish. This innovative fishing rod rack is simple and easy to use. Simply push the rod firmly into either the large or small V-grooves until the polymer grip material grabs the rod. For additional stability, hang the rod with the thread-wrapped line guides just above the V-groove. The tapered V-grooves can accommodate up to a 1/2 inches diameter rod with a reel attached. This fishing rod rack has 3 mounting holes. It has 2 outside holes that are 16 inches on center for secure installation on standard spaced wall studs. The KastKing fishing rod rack will organize your fishing gear and save space. Here is a list of the top 8 fishing rod rack in the market selected for you. Hope you found what you needed. Stay tuned with us to get the next update.